Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix a microphone not working issue on Windows 11. First, check your microphone privacy permissions. Open the Start menu and click Settings. Select Privacy and Security from the left side. Scroll down to App Permissions and click Microphone. Make sure microphone access is turned on. Also, enable Let Apps access your microphone and Let Desktop apps access your microphone. These settings allow Windows and your applications to use the microphone. Next, verify that the correct microphone is selected and not muted. Open Settings, go to System, and then click Sound. Under the Input section, select your microphone. Click the arrow next to it to open its properties. Check the volume icon. If it shows a diagonal line, click it to unmute the microphone. Move the input volume slider up to 100. Then click Start Test and speak into the microphone. If the volume bar moves, Windows is detecting your voice. You can also try troubleshooting. Go to Settings, then System. In System, look for the Troubleshoot menu, go to Other Troubleshoot, and run the Audio Troubleshooter. Let it finish and fix any problems. After completing these steps, test your microphone again. Thanks for watching.